So let's define a detection collision algorithm in game element at the top level of rendering objects. So let's do public boolean collide with and game element another one. So what would be the algorithm? That is as follows. So we have a rectangle, whatever width and height is. Assume that that's the current object in this one, and then parameter is another one. So another one comes as a parameter. Then you have x, y of this one and x, y of another one, and then we have width and height. Width and height. So first condition, let's focus on horizontally. Horizontally, they are unable to collide or unable to overlap if x position of this another one is greater than x of this one plus width. Then there are clearly those two are separated. There's no overlapping area. So first condition, another x location is greater than this one x plus width of a current one. So that's the first condition. Then there's no way that collision occurs. So second condition horizontally will be this is this one current object. So that was this one current object. So another one as coming parameter is left of this one, another one. The condition is x of this one is greater than x of another plus width. Then there is a gap between the two. So for sure there is no overlapping. So x of this one is greater than another, so x plus another width. So that's the second condition, that there's no way there's an overlapping bit horizontally. And then vertically, so let's give another, or vertically we can do similarly. So here we have this object, and here we have another object coming from parameter. And then y of this plus height is smaller than y of another. Then there is a gap between two vertically, so there's no way there's an overlap. So let's write that. Y of this one plus height of this one is less than another y, then there is a gap between the two. So similarly, one last condition is here is this one, here is another one, and then y of this is greater than y of another plus height. Then there is a gap between the two. So y of this one is greater than another y plus another height. Then that is a gap vertically. So we have checked the 4 cases. If any of those cases satisfy, then there is no way that two are overlapping. So collision false is there. Else return true. So that's the collision detection. So here explaining again. So focus on horizontally. Then there's a certain condition, there's no overlapping at all between the two. And then focus on vertically, there are certain conditions that the two rectangles cannot overlap at all. Then that's collide is false, otherwise collision is true.